Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw. I forgive myself for believing that others are responsible for my happiness. Okay, so let's see what I wrote on this. The problem with receiving the sweet attention of others is that it makes us feel special. And since specialness lives in the ego's domain, it makes us believe that this is where our salvation lies. It wants us to think that we are unique and extraordinary so we can maintain and strengthen our separation from God. So we fly around seeking to establish a multitude of special relationships that we can point to and say, see how unique I am? See how different I am from everyone else? See how I don't need God? And in this process, we become dependent on others because our validation is reliant on the externals and not with God where it belongs. So this particular declaration is something that I know very well about looking for external validation from others. And yeah, it's kind of smacked me. It's interesting because that I drew it because I went through some stuff yesterday that is I was having to set boundaries down with people and saying, no, I'm not going to do that, or I'm not interested. And, it was really tough. It was difficult to be able to actually, well, it wasn't difficult. It was just something that I had resistance to because I was actually worried about what they were going to say to me to other people. And it was, it's this noise in my head about being a pleaser and looking to others to make me okay. And that is a theme, if I'm going to be honest, that is a theme that has run through all my life. And it's still there, but it's not as much as it used to be. And the stronger my connection to God is, the less needy I am of others' approval or making others responsible for my happiness. And this is really about taking responsibility for my own happiness and not looking external and speaking my truth and just being very clear on what I want and what I'm going to put up with and what I'm not going to put up with. Now, this picture. It was kind of fun writing this reduction with this picture because of the moth going around or butterfly, I'm not sure what that is, and basically getting nectar from others. And I definitely, when I saw this picture, that's how I was able to write this reduction with this in mind. And quite frankly, I'm pretty pleased with it. Okay. That's all I have to say today. I want to keep it definitely under 5 minutes, and it'll be under 4 for sure. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I just want to yet again say that peace of mind can only come when we forgive ourselves and forgive others. Like I'm forgiving myself for needing others, for others being responsible for my happiness. I forgive myself for that, and I know that if I want peace of mind, the only place I can get that is by going within and connecting with God. Thanks so much, and you take care and God bless.